Assalamu alaikum dear friends, how are you all? I hope you guys doing good. It's Digital Shahzadi and you're watching the Digital Shahzadi channel. So in the today's video, we will discuss that before Tuesday what's going to happen in the Bitcoin price. So get ready for your Tuesday because it's going to be the monumental day for Bitcoin, and you know that Tuesday has a power to change the entire course of the next one or 2 years for the Bitcoin. So Tuesday is going to be the major day, and in the today's videos I'm gonna discuss about the chart of the Bitcoin chart, and you know what's happening. And if it does go this way, you have to know what's going to happen. Then it goes to this way, and you know what's going to happen when there is two outcomes on the Tuesday. It's going to be really good for the Bitcoin or really bad. So you have to understand the scenarios for the Tuesday. And if you are new on my channel, my name is Digital Shahzadi. Hit the subscribe button and let's jump into the daily chart or monthly chart. The first chart here is that of the Bitcoin, and this is gonna be one or the two ways. Either it closes a good news for the Bitcoin or a bad news. I'm going to discuss the both scenarios. And for the foremost, we are on a monthly chart. On the Tuesday is our the first month for the next month. So you have got to watch this before Tuesday, and you need to share it with your Bitcoin friends. But right here, we have this white line over there at 1905, and 1905 have been the most critical level we have been watching for many months. At this level, this is the super dangerous kind of level. We are watching this level, and for the men, so we have been holding the support over here and the resistance over here at this level, and this level is critically many important. We are holding the support and this support level over here, and right now as we speak we are literally resistance, but all of that can change in the next week. So or okay, we have been so close. If we have the body that it closes, if the candlestick closes at the level of the above this level, at this level, then candle above that, good things are coming to Bitcoin. And if we closes the body below that level, that could be a disastrous move for the Bitcoin. And you know, there is a things that start getting interesting because we are gonna watching like a hawk, and you are going to be having your a day on a Tuesday, and this could be so explosive close for the Bitcoin. Hopefully, and we can get right now. We have seen if the body closes above, then it will be good, and if it closes below that chart, that could be so much kind of a disastrous things that gonna happen. So we are literally taking an effort to discuss about the Bitcoin. And so here is our monthly closing. Okay, and we have discussed it at the point of the 1905. We discussed the white level, and we discussed the currently candle a little bit of the concern. But in this chart we are going to discuss all of this. Okay, let's get into what I think is going to happen. And what I think is going to happen is I'll say that it's going to be a tough with the body, of the clothes. Here we need to see, even if the Bitcoin has a trouble with this 19.5, we can drop it over here to 13 at that point. So Bitcoin always does things to shock everybody, and I think very well be surprised. And I think that the bottom was around a lot of the charts, maybe the bottom will be created if it move down, and everybody is shocked about the Bitcoin. You know that the market gets manipulated many times. So here will be the scenario over the bottom is created, and this would could be a big warning. And if you are not able to hold the 19.5 resistance support level, sorry, that could be a mystery for all of the people. That could be changed, and I'm gonna have my army we're ready for that, to see what's going on the Bitcoin on the Tuesday, ready for the transformation, whether the market will go up or the down. So this was the chart which I'm gonna discuss about that, the Bitcoin analysis. Hopefully you like my video. Hit the like button, subscribe, and share it to the crypto family. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.